I believe we have all witnessed how the signals went really so well from the last weekly analysis and the gold analysis video, starting from the pound USD, which has reversed just like I think 2 pips, 3 pips far away from the entry and hit the take profit level of 61 pips. AUDUSD has also been triggered, running so far in almost 40 pips of profit. USDCAD hasn't been triggered, reversed by 13 pips far away. USDCHF has also been triggered and running so far in 31 pips. And the king of all was the gold. From the deeply analysis on the gold is running so far in about 173 pips. A winning day for all of Xtreme Trader. Regardless if you are a paid member or a free follower, you have surely gained profit in the beginning of this week. And for that, I would actually seek your help to the channel by, of course, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly share the video. So now, what's next with the market? And this is exactly the reason for this midweek analysis. We will follow up with these signals and let's now see what we can expect more. But before that, of course, don't forget to join our free group of Telegram to receive any updates about the signals. For example, here guys, I have sent an update about the gold to, actually I was tracking it and I was telling the members what to do about the gold. For example, here I told them to expect a drawdown till 2324, which didn't happen, of course. We had, of course, a very precise entry with almost zero drawdown, and I actually kept following it, and I have actually even told them to close it in 110 pips just to be safe, because we had the core PPI news today and I did not want any high volatility to impact on the market. So to impact on, of course, on the gold signal. So again, the link of this group can be found on the description below of the video, and of course you can find it right here in front of you, Xtreme Trader Signals. And again, please be aware that there is actually a lot of scammers who have actually been impersonating our personality and using our name and logo and telling their victims that they are Xtreme Trader and they are actually asking them to send funds to trade. We never do that. Those are scammers. What we do maximum is only selling signals in our VIP group of Telegram, but that's about it. We don't do anything else. Anyway, let's now begin with the midweek analysis, and as usual, we will start with the Euro USD. Now, what we can expect next from this market actually is a continuation in the rise. So the Euro USD most likely is going to continue the rise toward our take profit level for around 40 pips more. But the question is, where exactly can we continue by the Euro USD? In my opinion, the safest place to buy this pair is going to be right here exactly at this level of a support at 1.0800. 1.0800. The reason is, of course, that right here we have, of course, let me just show it to you. Let me just delete the old signal, and right there we can see clearly that we had, of course, a broken structure. So not only a broken structure, but in the past the same level of that resistance right here was also a strong key level of a support, as we can see right here. So now, after making this these attempts of the resistance and the bullish breakout from the market of the resistance, of course, if the Euro USD is gonna make ever a pullbacks, the level of a nearest key support level most likely will be respected, and that is, in my opinion, gonna be the best level to start buying the pair, adding to the mix, of course, that we had right here a support trend line, as we can see. So that was, of course, a real level of a support trend line, as we can see right here, and we had here multiple fake breakouts. However, it was eventually a real level of a support trend line. So if the Euro USD will make any pullbacks, it will actually bounce back on the same level of the support trend line. We can expect some few drawdowns of a fake breakout, but eventually I believe it will continue the rise. So therefore, Euro USD is to be bought again at 1.0800, targeting again 57 pips of profit, and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging much lower than the bottom of the nearest level of a support at 1.076, which means that will be actually, guys, our new signal, just like that. For the take profit level, I think we can even increase it a little bit more to be right here at the peak of the resistance. So therefore, we can actually change it to be at 1.087. And take profit level will be, the buy order can be opened at 1.0800, which means the safe zone will be ranging for about 38 pips, against 76 pips of profit. Let's now move to the pound USD. All right, so here's the pound USD, and as we can see so far, it actually has exceeded the take profit level and actually reversed just like by almost 3 pips from our entry and hit the take profit level. So we can assume that this signal has been triggered, because actually I sent a buy order at 1.250 and the market reversed exactly at 1.250. So therefore the market has indeed reversed at our entry and hit the take profit level, making 60 pips of profit. Now what's next with this pair? First of all, I would like to delete the entire signal, and let's now start from scratch. So now, allow me to move to the daily chart to show it to you. So now, let me just squeeze the chart a little bit more. And by the way, guys, I have received a question, how can you squeeze the charts? Well, it's really easy. Just place your mouse right here at the prices of the chart, right here on the left, and sorry, on the right side. Press and hold the left button on your mouse and just drag it up and down, just like that. It's really simple and easy. Anyway, what we can do right here is simply looking at the resistance trend line, and as we can see right here, the market has just made a bullish movement from that level of a resistance trend line, as we can see right here. So right there, my friends, we actually have had a triangle which actually has been broken out from. I need to move the chart here to the right. Yeah, exactly. So right now we can see that we had here a support trend line which has been respected, and that was right here a fake breakout. However, the real level of the support trend line has indeed been respected. And again, we had here a resistance trend line, which also has been respected. And right now the market is moving in a strong bullish movement. Indicates that most likely the pound USD will continue the rise. Now, the question is where exactly we can rebuy the pair. The answer lies of this level of a strong support zone, as we can see right here exactly, at 1.253. So indeed, that was of course a very strong key level of a support zone, which most likely right here after becoming a resistance, and the market was actually in consolidation on that level. Finally, after making the bullish movement right here, it will surely respect that level of a support if it makes a pullback, and then it will continue the rise. So that being said, I would highly recommend to wait for the pound USD to fall to another 40 pips before we can start buying it. But however, let's now move to the daily chart, because we have actually analyzed it based on the daily chart. So based on the 4-hour time frame, we can actually have even a better entry. I would like to actually adjust my entry to be right here exactly. Let me just be precise. Should be actually right there exactly, right here. Now, why right here? Why this level? Because based on the 4-hour time frame, this was the real level of a support, which was actually a critical level. As you can see right here, we had a fake breakout, another fake breakout, another fake breakout, and right here, of course, we can see that 1.255 was actually the precise level where the market has always been reversing from. Meanwhile, in the middle, we had some fake breakouts actually right here, as we can see. So as we can see also, 1.255 is actually going to be our next level to start buying the pair. Adding to the mix, of course, that we have here, of course, a resistance trend line. And if the market will make any pullbacks, it will actually be hopefully respecting the same level of a previous resistance trend line. And hopefully it will create, of course, a new support trend line. That being said, let's wait for the pound USD to fall to another 28 pips. And the take profit level is going to be right here, of course, at the highest level of a nearest key resistance at 1.268, expecting around, let's actually lower our expectations to be right here exactly at the nearest level of a key resistance at 1.266, which is going to be exactly 116 pips of profit, and a safe zone that also shouldn't be ranging lower than the previous level of a key support at 1.250, ranging for around 46 pips only. Moving now to the AUDUSD. And again, before we continue, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly share the video. And of course, don't forget to join our free group of Telegram to receive any updates about these signals. AUDUSD, guys, was also another perfect signal. As you can see, it has reversed not only for once but for twice at 0.658, and right now running in about 38 pips of profit, and actually still has about 50 pips toward our take profit level. So now what's next with the AUDUSD? Well, let's just move to the smaller time frame, such as 15-minute time frame, or actually 30-minute time frame. Now we need to find the precise level where we can actually enter again another buy order for the AUDUSD, because as we can see, the bullish movement here is so strong. I believe this was of course due to the core PPI news. In my opinion, the safest level to buy again the pair is going to be right here, exactly at that level of a key support at 0.661. The answer, the reason is, of course, we had right here, of course, a real level of a resistance. That's exactly what I was talking about before. Those, my friends, are just simply a fake breakouts from the level. This right here was the real level of the resistance, which was in the past at the real level of the support. Now, pay attention. Right here, exactly, we can see the creation of support number 1. So this crazy candle right here was actually a bullish breakout candle from that level of a resistance. And right here, after the breakout happened, the market has already created here a support number 1. So therefore, if the AUDUSD is going to make any pullbacks, I believe buying it exactly at the support number 2 is going to be ideal, and it's going to be hopefully a safe entry to buy the pair again. Now, by looking at the 4-hour time frame, it doesn't really seem that safe. So I just want to adjust it a little bit more to be right here exactly at the peak of the resistance, which is the nearest one to that bullish breakout candle. So we are talking about the zones here. So this is the zone right here where we can actually buy the pair. So by seeing it on the 15 or 30-minute time frame and 4-hour time frame, we can confirm that this is going to be the best level to buy the pair again. However, the take profit level is going to remain the same. So therefore, I just need to adjust this entry, however, to be right here. And the safe zone can actually be adjusted to be at the bottom of the support, where we actually have originally bought the AUDUSD. Therefore, our new buy order will be at 0.661, just like that. Take profit level is going to remain the same, so meaning our take profit level will be 64 pips against 32 pips of a safe zone. That's everything for the pair. Let's now move to the USDCAD. USDCAD was really one awesome signal, but of course hasn't been triggered, unfortunately. As we can see, the market has reversed just like 12 pips far away from our entry. Now, what's next with this pair? Actually, not much, because we are going to continue selling the USDCAD, but this time our entry will be changed to be right here, absolutely at the highest level of a resistance, where the market has originally reversed from. So actually, not much happening with the USDCAD. I still believe that we are having here a very strong resistance zone, and seems like the market will continue respecting that level. We can actually even add to the mix that we had right here, of course, a support trend line, as we can see. That was, of course, support trend line, which indeed has been broken out from finally, and the market might actually make a pullback right here. If it makes a pullback, it will reverse right here. However, maybe we have to adjust the entry to be right there. Why right there? Because right here, as we can see, we had, of course, a real level of a resistance multiple times happened. So if the pullback is ever going to happen, most likely the market will actually respect our level of a resistance and a new level of a resistance trend line. So hopefully it will be a respectful signal, and just follow the analysis. Sell at 1.367. 367 is where we can place the sell order. Same take profit level, and which means we can actually expect around 106 pips of profit against a safe zone that shouldn't actually be ranging much. It should be actually almost the same, exactly just like that. So therefore, the safe zone will be ranging for about 57 pips against 106 or 7 pips of profit. That's everything for this pair. Let's now move to the pound JPY. Now for the pound JPY, my friends, as you can see, our buy order hasn't been triggered, but at least it's a credit that the market actually went in the right direction. So therefore, I still believe that the pound JPY will continue to rise, at least to reach the highest level of a resistance at 197.940. That's of course our desired target. However, the pair still has about 117 pips more to go. So now the question is, where exactly we can continue by the pound JPY? Well, let me for a starting tell you that this pair is really now one crazy pair, and trading it is really insane. But still, we have something good. Actually, we have some good entries that cannot just simply be ignored. I mean, the market is really moving in a very strong bullish movement at the moment. Therefore, I don't see any harm looking for trading this pair. However, we have already set our desired take profit level. Now for the entry, I believe it can be placed right here exactly at this level of a strong key support level at 196.134. There is of course multiple reasons for that. So again, I am right now on the 4-hour time frame. Let's move to the 30-minute time frame to show this to you. So right here, based on the 30-minute time frame, we can see clearly that we had right here a real level of a support, and this was of course a fake breakout. Now, why do we say it's a fake breakout? Because the market has made a very strong bearish movement. This candle alone on the 30-minute time frame was around 70 pips. However, the market actually has failed to create any level of a resistance right here and just simply continue the rise. So if the market will make any pullbacks, it's most likely going to be respecting the same level of a real support, and if that happens, we will end up with inverted head and shoulders, which actually can be awesome. So we can actually expect a continuation in the rise indeed. So therefore, we have to wait actually a long time. We have to wait around 60 pips of the fall before we can start buying this pair, targeting at least 180 pips of profit, and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging lower than the previous level of a resistance right here at 195.360, which means the safe zone will be ranging for about 73 pips against 183 pips of profit. And there goes your signals, my friends, for the midweek analysis video, because the USDCHF signal has also been triggered, as you can see, running so far in about 35 pips, and actually it's just gonna remain the same. There is absolutely nothing can be changed about this signal, and everything about it remains the same. If there is any pullback gonna happen, we will just simply sell the pair exactly at the highest level of a previous resistance. And of course, for the gold, I'm again really so happy about this signal. So it went in total of 232 pips of profit. If you guys are still in this signal, I highly recommend to close it right now. I mean, we had already take profit level, but the movement right here, guys, so far based on the daily chart is not really so much promising. I still have some fears about this level of a resistance, that the gold might actually reverse exactly on it and now continue the falls. Therefore, I would highly recommend everybody to just close their gold signal right now and accept 180 pips of profit. And again, don't forget to join our free group of Telegram to receive directly from me personally the updates about the gold and the other signals. And of course, to join this group is completely free. You don't have to pay anything at all. Just please join us there so you can receive at least also one free signal every day. So again, my friends, don't forget to comment on the channel and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you on the next live trading video. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.